Hello everyone, and welcome to Learning Persian for Beginners in Persian Campus. This is lesson 2 of this series of videos. Don't forget that you can find videos, songs, podcasts, courses, all in Persian, and early access to this series of videos in persiancampus.com. So let's begin. درس دوم. That is lesson 2. Once again. درس دوم. In this lesson, we are going to learn numbers. Number in singular form is عدد in Persian. And in plural form, that is أعداد. So once again, عدد. Make sure that you repeat after me. عدد. That is number. أعداد. أعداد. Numbers. So, we are going to learn أعداد 1 تا 20. Numbers 1 to 10. Let's start. 0 is صفر. صفر. Number 1 is یک. Once again, یک. Number 2 is دو. Once again, دو. Number 3 is سه. Once again, سه. That sounds easy, isn't it? Number 4 formally is چهار. Once again, چهار. However, informally we pronounce it as چهار. Once again, چهار. Number 5 is پنج. Once again, پنج. 6 is شش formally and شیش informally. Let's repeat again. شش. شش or شیش. شیش. Next one is هفت. هفت. Number 8 is هشت. Once again, هشت. Happily, they don't have any other forms. Number 9 is نه. نه. And number 10 is ده. ده. You hear this ده at the end of numbers 11 to 19. Listen. 11 is یازده. You see that it sounds that we connect یک plus ده to make یازده. However, we make some changes to the first number. So, let's repeat again. یازده. یازده. دوازده. دوازده. سیزده. سیزده. چهارده. Informally. چهارده. And formally, چهارده. Once again, چهارده. Next one is پونزده. Informally, پونزده. But formally, we call it پانزده. پانزده. You will soon learn that in many positions, whenever we have a and ne together, we change A to O. In many numbers or in many words, you can see that. So, once again, 15 15. Next one, formally 16 is 16 16. According to the previous rule, you might have guessed that this can be changed to 16. Informal form, 16 17 17. It also has an alternation, and that is 17 17. Next one is 18 18, which we can simplify it and say 18 18. You will also learn that in many positions, J would change to J. So, once again, 18 18. Next one is 19 19. And last one is beast beast. So let us have a quick glance at these numbers. Don't forget to repeat after me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 beast. We could have an exercise about telling your telephone numbers using these Persian numbers. However, it is not possible. Why? We have to leave it for next lesson, where you would learn how to read numbers more than 20, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. In Persian format, we don't say our telephone number one by one. So wait for next lesson. Meanwhile, don't forget to visit Persian Campus, follow us on social media, and subscribe into our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please send it to your friends. ممنون. خدا نگهدار.